I went with him only for two vaccinations.
Wow, shame. Okay. Yeah, it's not fun when they go for their vaccinations. Shame. Poor little ones.
No, yeah, but the attitudes of doctors and nurses were very nice.
They are,
Yeah,
yes.
I think, yeah, for one thing, I think the quality of the local community hospital is pretty good. For
Uh,
another, I guess, is also because of the current sharply decreasing birth rate in China.
mm,
The babies are commonly regarded as valuable, as treasure.
true. Right. Yes. Okay, so here we have the vocabulary.
To hang out, bound, to get together, relaxing, to catch up, to lose track. Or lose track, no longer know what is happening. Oh, I think I understand it.
Yeah.
Lose track.
Sometimes you enjoying yourself so much you lose track of time. Maybe you had to be somewhere else, and it's like, oh, where's the time gone? I gotta go. So lose track of time.
I see.
Okay, good. So, what do you see in the picture? What's happening?
Well, in this picture, I see a gathering of friends at a cafe because I see each of them has a cup of coffee. And here is a middle-aged man sitting in front of his laptop at the table, while the others facing him are, I think, are younger than him. Yeah, so that might be a work team reunited after some of the members resign, or maybe all of them resign from their company. So they reunited at a cafe in the neighborhood of their previous employer, and then so they brought each other up to date about what they had done in that period and where they were working, how was their work.
Yeah, it looks like someone said something funny because the girls look like they're laughing, and the guy as well in the middle look like they're
Yeah.
laughing. Yeah. Right. Okay, good. Next one. So now make
Um,
up a story. Use your imagination to tell a story. So you can give them names.
okay, just now I described in this picture as is in a professional setting. Now I think I can tell story as it happens in an academic setting at school, for example.
Okay.
Okay, so just the other day, my tutor summoned me and my two, how to say that, my two peers,
Yeah, two
uh,
peers,
uh,
two fellow
my two peers
students. Mm,
yeah, to meet him at a cafe, and where he told us he was going to assign us a task, asking us to attend one of his research projects. Yeah, we were pleasant, and that means we could get some achievement out of the projects and as in some references in our graduate projects. Yeah. So yeah, and we imagined him at the cafe, and he ordered each of us a cup of coffee. Yeah, it's his duty as a tutor, and he always checked the bill. So, um, sitting at the table, he assigned each of us a piece of job to gather some data or do some analysis or to refer to some existing literature. And so we could complete this research project and we could finally write an essay. And yeah, at the time he to lift up the atmosphere. He told a joke about his newborn baby, and the baby were all pretending to laugh animatedly.
Okay, very good. So you pretended to laugh. Um, it's yeah, you could say he gave you tasks, um, some tasks to do instead of some pieces of jobs. It doesn't quite sound right. So tasks,
Oh, thank you.
or some small
So,
jobs to perform. But tasks is probably a better word. The
yeah.
Yeah, the job is for everyone to complete this project, but each one has their own tasks in it.
Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, yeah, that's what I wanted from our conversation. Yeah, pointing out some of my errors. Yeah.
Okay,
Um,
perfect.
Sometimes I try, groping for some synonyms to replace the regular words and to, you know, verify my vocabulary, to
Yes.
diversify my vocabulary.
Mhm.
But I don't know whether the alternatives are appropriate.
Right, yes. Okay, good. But otherwise, well done. So the next one. So
What?
what would your ideal relaxing day with friends look like?
Oh, it's a bit hard to say because I haven't had such days with my friends for a long time. Yeah, I've been busy recently. So, if we had a spare time, I mean, my friends and we might go outdoors. We go to the outskirts of the city, suburban areas, and to camp in a wild area on the bank of the river or in the small forest or at the root of a mountain, and we could camp there and sitting around uh, a small table, and so we could, and we also have some beers, and yeah, at the time we start talking about what we've been through. Yeah.
Nice. Very good. Yours is a little different to mine. So you like to sit near around a small table. We like to sit around the fire. So we make a big fire and we all sit around it and then tell stories or share some information. So,
Yeah, that's also nice. It's romantic. Sitting around, yeah, sitting around a fire in the dark and in the wild.
yes.
At that time we can maybe with hazard and talking about something scary. Yeah, like some horrible movies.
Yeah, true. Scare the girls. Yeah, so how often do you get together with friends and what do you usually do when you're with them?
Oh, actually, currently I can't get around to the time, the opportunity to gather with my friends. But back when we were at college, yeah, we used to hang out. And we went to the local entertainment venues frequently. And you can imagine how open-minded we were at the time. We drank at clubs, and we sang karaoke, and we met girls. We dated the girls in cafes, restaurants, and yeah. So all of those and crazy things.
Till you found the right girl.
Yes. So at the time, our conversations were mainly around the regular things like sports, beers, and girls, and yeah, none of us was worried about future. like our jobs, our income, and family, So yeah, and those were good old days, and that I would miss throughout the rest of my life.
Shame, yes. Yeah. Do you think it's important to build bonds with friends outside of school or work? Why not?
Yes, I think it's important and it's very beneficial, meaningful, because actually I don't think we can make a real friends at work or at yeah we can make a real friends at school. I have to say, yeah, most of my business friends were made at school. But at work, and I think it's it's not that possible because we tend to wear some mask when we in some professional setting. We are not ourselves. In order to please the others, in order to get the mutual understanding, respect, we must be polite. We must take care of our manners. In this way, we are not our true selves. So without showing our real personalities, and how can we find out similarities we share? How can we have the foundation for friendships? And that's why I think we can only after we start working, we can only build friendships outside work. Yeah. Yeah. So one of the methods coming to mind is to we can go for a trip, an organized trip with other strangers. So in the casual atmosphere, in the casual environment, we can just put our mask down to talk about something we really care about.
Yeah, true. That's right. Um, does spending a long time hanging out with your friends help you relax or does it tire you out? How long do you usually
Yes,
like to hang out?
absolutely. I think yeah, it's relaxing even to hang out with my parents and my wife. We've been together most of the time. We can be more familiar with each other, but hanging out with them, chatting with them can really help me get things off my chest. Especially some negative experiences. Maybe sometimes we are yelled at by our bosses at work, or we might receive some complaints from customers, and so yeah, we can get together to know about some negative experiences and to get comfort from each other.
Do you think catching up in person is better than texting?
Hmm. Yes, or I know. Yeah, I'm in two minds about this. On the one
Why?
hand,
Yeah.
yeah, on the one hand, what was the word? The in person, yes, in person contacts. Can I say this?
Yeah.
Yeah, in person contacts feels more authentic, more real life.
Yes.
When we engage in such conversation, we not only talk to each other, we also see the tiny body language from each other, so we can, you know, feel each other's feelings and each other's emotions and more, more realistic. Yeah, in a more realistic way, I should say this.
That's true. Mm.
But but then on the other hand, and nowadays, and we are very busy. Life is fast paced. I think modern life is fast paced. We don't often have the time to settle down at a table in the restaurant in a cafe to chat with our friends and without any concern of our business and our work. And so we just don't have the time to have the face-to-face interaction with our friends. at the time, texting or video call, phone call are more accessible.
Yeah, that is true. That is true. Um, but out of the two, I think in person is better than texting. Obviously, texting is better than no contact at all.
Yeah, I agree. I completely agree.
Have you ever lost track of
Oh,
time while hanging out
yes,
with
I found out an interesting phenomenon
yeah,
recently. It occurred to me that in different stages in my life, I always had a guy who hang out with me very frequently, very often, and whom I regarded as my bosom friend. But afterwards, we would lose contact from each other for work and for family, for whatever reasons. And yeah, so this is a shame, you know. And currently, you know, who is my bosom friend? My wife. I don't. That means I don't have best friend anymore because of my work.
it's okay. It's good. It's good. Your wife's your best friend. That is good. Yeah,
Thank you.
that is good. They should be. Our spouse should be our best friend. Otherwise, we'll have problems.
Yes, that's funny.
Yeah. Happy life, happy wife. I mean, happy wife,
Yeah.
happy life. Other way around. Anyway, nice chatting, Payne. Keep well and
Oh,
take
you
care.
too.
All right.
Enjoy your weekend.
You
Bye.
too. Bye bye.